Hi, I'm Mom and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. My channel is all about doing DIYs, lots and lots of them, trash to treasure, high-end dupes, everything related to home within budget. And if you love such content, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video, and do hit the little notification bell given beside it and choose the ringing bell icon so that you're notified each time I post my video. Today I'm going to share with you two DIYs, basically one DIY and a little bonus one which you can do anytime within a couple of minutes. So stick till the end to watch both of them. My today's video is part of the challenge called Dollar Tree DIY Challenge with the sunflower theme. This is being hosted by Alli from Alli DIY and is being co-hosted by Brittany from Brittany Allen Crafts. I'll put links to both the ladies' channels in the description box of my video along with the link to the playlist for more ideas. Now there is a disclaimer. I don't have Dollar Tree in my neighborhood, not at all. So I can't get them and there's no point ordering so much in bulk for one specific DIY. So I'm going to share with you items that you need if you want to recreate this project from Dollar Tree. I'll show you the items, you get them from Dollar Tree, and what you will see in the video is alternatives that I have created in my home to recreate the same magic that you can by using items from the Dollar Tree. So for this complete project, the items that you will need can be a piece of wood or a piece of canvas of your choice size from the Dollar Tree, or the kind of ribbons you want, or you can get those sunflowers from the Dollar Tree, or you can use the jute string from there. So these are the main items that you need to have. So basically here what I'm doing is I've taken a canvas and I'm trying to get that dark stained wood finish. For that I just took a canvas and covered it with a brown paper, and I'm just trying to give it that stained, dark stained look using some black paint, which I'm diluting and applying, and some places it's getting dry brushed, but it's getting that dark look. I crushed the brown paper before adding it to the canvas so that it gets more texture. And very much important that we also do the sides because it will be also visible. Another alternative is to use the contact paper which looks like wood and use it here. Now this board is ready and I've taken a broad ribbon. You can take any ribbon of your choice. The only thing to keep in mind is that the ribbon should be in a good contrast with the background as well as with the flower one chooses. So I'm just going to go wind it, stretch it over the length, wind it, and if you feel that this is narrow, one can go around it twice or thrice to build up that volume on the width, and then glue it together. So I'll go once lengthwise, then once widthwise, and then glue it at the back. Next I'm going to take a wire tag and collect everything and bunch them together. So I'll try to slide this tag underneath it and pull them together and just right in the center. Just close it. Because it's wire, it's easy to work with. Similarly on the other angle. So these wires will not be seen, so even if you're using something which is not color coordinated, it doesn't matter. So once this much is done, I'm just going to glue my sunflower right in the center, and this will be ready. I told you I'm going to show you a bonus DIY today also. So in case you have any of the signs which spell out home or which spell out love, anything other than that, where you can replace one of the alphabet with some pattern. Now this is a home sign that I made in one of my previous videos. I'll put a card link above, and it is also there in my fall DIY and DIY and decor playlist. This was a very simple and a quick sign that I made, and I attached pumpkins here. I made it such that I can remove this pumpkin and replace it with anything for the season. So I'm going to replace this pumpkin with a sunflower. This looks really pretty now. Very happy and cheerful sign. It took me just a couple of minutes to do this. This was just so easy and beautiful. Look at the home sign with the sunflower in it and the luminaries here, all in fall colors. They look just awesome together. If you're wondering how to make these two luminaries, I'll put a card link above. And I made it last year and I still use it very much in my decor. They look gorgeous when they lit up. It's just beautiful. It will be also given in the description box of my video. I'll have a link there as well. This is just beautiful, makes any space just so happy. I have this empty frame in my home which I use for decor. Anything that is placed inside the frame makes it looks like a big piece of art, and it looks good. So I'm going to use this frame. I'm going to work on the two corners, opposite corners of this frame, and give it a sunflower decor update. Now here is the corner of the frame, and I have jute strings here. These are 4 jute strings, each 6 feet long, and some of the flowers that you can get from Dollar Tree, sunflowers. So I'm going to take one of the string and start wrapping it on this side. So one can glue or tape the jute string at the back, the starting point of it, and then start winding it. Neatly close to each loop. Now once I reach the end, I tape the end portion of the string at the back side of the frame. Similarly on this side. Here I reached the end of this loop, and I'm going to tape it or glue it in the back. Now I'll take 2 sunflowers and glue them on the top corner so that very little of the jute is exposed. The corner was looking a little empty without some leaves, so I also added 2 leaves. I'm going to repeat the same process on the opposite corner of this frame. This is right as we come in. At my entryway, I have a place for sitting and changing shoes to house shoes, and here is where the frame is. And this is looking gorgeous. It's very elegant because of the blue and the dark color, and I think this has turned out beautiful. The frame, it has got nothing much, just 2 corners, and I think minimal and beautiful, and this is just how I love it. I'm not much of a floral person, but I think this is looking really good. It has this geometric, clean look. I just really like it. The colors are beautiful, and the color of my ribbon and the background is really complementing the sunflower. I really like this decor, and it's going to stay for some time here, definitely. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you so much for your support. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share this video, comment, I love them, and do subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I love doing DIYs and decor within budget, everything with home within budget. Thank you everybody. I'll see you soon in my next DIY, in my next video. Until then, stay positive, be creative, and be happy.